Make a great choice today with the 2020 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.